When it comes to home improvements that add significant value to your property, window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Whether you're planning to sell your Gaithersburg, DC home or simply looking to enhance your living space, new windows offer both practical and aesthetic benefits that can boost your home's value. In this article, we explore the numerous ways window replacement can increase the value of your home in Gaithersburg. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior appearance of your home is the first thing potential buyers notice. Older windows can be a significant eyesore, making a home appear outdated or neglected. On the other hand, installing new, energy-efficient windows can immediately refresh your home's curb appeal. With a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials available, new windows can enhance the architectural features of your home and give it a modern, stylish look that attracts prospective buyers. In Gaithersburg, where homes range from historic properties to contemporary constructions, window replacement offers an opportunity to maintain or enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Whether you opt for traditional wood-framed windows, sleek aluminum windows, or energy-efficient vinyl options, the right windows can complement your home's design, making it more desirable on the market. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In a climate like Gaithersburg's, where hot summers and chilly winters are the norm, energy efficiency is an important consideration for homeowners and potential buyers alike. Older windows can be a major source of heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer, leading to higher energy bills. By replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models, you create a more comfortable living environment while saving money on heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures. These windows can lower energy consumption, making them an attractive feature for homebuyers who are looking to save on utility bills. Many new windows also come with low emissivity coatings that reduce heat transfer, further improving the energy efficiency of your home. According to studies, homes with energy-efficient windows tend to sell for higher prices than those with older, inefficient windows. This is because energy-efficient upgrades are seen as a long-term investment that provides homeowners with tangible savings on utility bills, making your property more appealing to buyers who want to minimize ongoing costs. Enhanced comfort and reduced noise. New windows not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also enhance its overall comfort. For homeowners in Gaithersburg who are looking for a peaceful living environment, replacing old windows with newer, insulated models can help reduce noise pollution from outside. This is especially valuable if you live in a bustling neighborhood, near a busy street, or close to a commercial area. By installing double or triple pane windows, you can minimize the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more serene living space. Noise reduction is an often overlooked but highly valued feature among homebuyers, and it can set your home apart from others on the market. Increased security and safety. Modern window technology has made great strides in improving the safety and security of homes. Older windows with single panes of glass are much more vulnerable to break-ins and damage, By replacing these windows with newer models that feature double or triple glazing, you enhance your home's security. Many modern windows also come with additional safety features, such as reinforced frames, shatter-resistant glass, and secure locking mechanisms. For potential buyers, a home's security is an important consideration. Having new windows can give your home an edge over others in the Gaithersburg market by showcasing a commitment to safety and peace of mind. Return on investment. Window replacement is one of the home improvements that offer the highest return on investment, ROI. According to Remodeling Magazine's 2024 Cost versus Value report, homeowners who replace their windows can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling their home. In fact, window replacement has one of the highest ROI rates compared to other home upgrades, making it a smart financial decision for anyone looking to increase their home's resale value. In Gaithersburg, a market that has seen steady growth, homebuyers are particularly interested in properties that are move-in ready and require little immediate work. By replacing old windows, you position your home as a modern, well-maintained property that doesn't require additional expenses or upgrades. Conclusion. In Gaithersburg, DC, where home values are on the rise, window replacement offers a powerful way to increase your property's worth. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing comfort and security, new windows provide numerous benefits that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. With the added bonus of a high return on investment, window replacement is an upgrade that can yield substantial financial rewards while improving your home's overall livability. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable home, replacing your windows is a smart investment that pays off in the long run.